In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Badoo. So the steps that we are going to do here today is the same thing in the mobile application for Badoo. So just make sure to follow along. So for you PC users, you just need to go to badoo.com and you'll be led here in the sign up section. So actually, there's an easier way for you to sign up for Badoo. So you could just use your account for Facebook or your Google account here, which is the two most common accounts we have right now. So you could choose Google or Facebook, but you could also manually sign up using your email here. So if you have another email that's not for Google, you can go ahead and use that. So just enter your email and password, and let's proceed to the next step. From here, once you've added your email and password, you'll be asked a few details about yourself. You just need to enter your name, your birthday, your city, your gender. So once you've added that, a few other questions will be asked about yourself, like your wants or your needs, your hobbies, and they'll even ask you to add a picture of yourself. And better yet, for the last step for that, you're going to be asked to verify yourself, which is they'll be asking you to do a simple post while taking a picture. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.